season of snooze alarms, sounding general quarters, nickels, dimes for change. Pomp display of reverence of the fallen, clearly for those failing daily. Ignorance of law enforcers, no excuse by now. Sign the oath and live it. Sign the oath and live it. It's funny till it's not funny. No, no touchy coppers. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers.
Now, is that both of us being trespassed?
Yes. In there.
That's it.
You guys are fun.
Yeah, because we know our rights. Is that simple?
Well, I mean,
You don't study law for anything here.
you study law? Where'd you study law
Get yourself arrested.
We don't come here attending to do that. As happened, I also appreciate your very quick response.
at? I was up the street.
You don't get much faster than
Got the Civil Rights Office trying to get some
Well,
help.
sir.
Too, you know?
So that's not that. Civil rights is somewhere different. That's actually public defenders. I have my cards in here somewhere.
Thank you.
What's that?
I'm just.
He's talking to us
Oh.
100 people live.
Okay, that's fine. That is fine. Give me 1 second. I'll put a case number on it.
That'd be great. No, we appreciate you. Well, like I
No
said,
problem.
we're not anti-police. We're just
No,
we
you
just
guys,
want good
you have
policing,
your
know?
your rights. That's fine with that. That's why I'm not pushing you and saying, hey, you've got to do this, you got to do that. No,
You're going by the book. Just to be honest, there's a few things that you might be needing to tweak up on a little bit. It's only because you're just
That's
used
fine.
to doing it the way you're doing
hey,
it.
what's up, Corbin?
That First Amendment.
Yeah.
That part, yeah.
What's that?
I'll give you guys some shout outs
I'm in the backside.
after we get done here. I appreciate you guys coming.
No. You know where? So it's the parking. It's a parking structure across from the main. I'm on the north side.
Maybe the third time that I may hear about a fake.
I'm closer to Roma. 4th and Roma. Well, no, 5th and Roma. All right, later. All right, fellas, give me a second. I'll give you guys a case number with my card, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, let me talk to this guy real quick, sorry. Yes, sir.
They're trespassing from the whole building, the whole property.
Okay, okay.
Not
All
just public defenders, the whole property.
right. Okay.
Right on.
All right. All right,
I
fellas.
already had the conversation in there.
Well, so I told you I didn't. Nope, I did not. It's up to them.
I mean, ultimately, that's.
I guess they won't be getting any more federal money this building.
Well, that's. Well, so actually, this is a private building.
I realize that, but they get federal money to rent that space out.
Well, you're saying the state. Well,
government.
not a
government.
so it comes from the state, which the state does get some federal money.
US dollar. There is no New
So
Mexico
it's hard to
dollar.
say. So this is what happens a lot is when the feds give money to the state. The state.
Preaching to the choir.
Yeah, well,
they
so-
don't take that.
I'm just saying that. I mean,
take
because if
that
you
Fed
if you
dollar and
assume,
turn
just
it
like you
into
said,
New Mexico
don't
dollar.
overreach.
No,
I said so you can't overreach and say that federal money is directly
you
towards
guys
them.
with the guns can do anything.
No, that is not true. Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
have you
you
been?
do.
Have you guys been watching what's
Yeah,
going on?
We've been living it.
So we have. I mean,
We've been living it.
we just live by the law of the land. The what's that?
That's natural law. It's like,
Well, that's
all the land is natural law, my man.
Valley
It's
tag.
the Constitution of the United States. And then there's some other
1567B.
laws that people like to
1567.
project on others, but
Please show me 1916 NVC. Starting mileage is 645.
1500.
yeah, we'll get this little notification number and then we'll be out of here.
well. I appreciate your guys' cooperation.
Well, I appreciate your cooperation.
We're very peaceful, loving people.
Well, I appreciate it.
Just have questions that don't like to be answered.
No. I'll answer your questions as much as I can.
And I'm not referring to you. We didn't come here to give you a hard time. We didn't come here to give anybody a hard time.
Well,
We
yes.
just came here and got a hard time.
All right. Well,
Just like I'm not trying to make you look bad on camera.
No.
If you're bad, you will look bad.
there you go. So, oh, I'm sorry. So that case you have, the criminal one, that I'm not gonna. Obviously, you don't want to go into. That's fine.
Yep.
When you go to court on it,
Yeah.
you'll tell the judge, right? You can't afford an attorney, so they might have or they might just say, hey, you're gonna have to go to the public defenders. You just say, hey, public defenders did want me on the property, and then they might order the public defenders, or the public defenders might say, hey, because of what happened, we don't feel safe. I'm assuming that's what they're gonna say.
Yeah.
So they might have to contract you out to a private attorney.
All right.
Okay?
Very good, man. Thank
All right.
you.
Any questions?
Yeah. So we got your card,
Got my card. I'm gonna email you that.
and then could I also have, just for transparency purposes, name and ID of your supervisor? Would be a sergeant.
Sergeant Gio Diopolo.
Excellent. Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
day.
Mhm.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
All right, you guys have a good one. I appreciate your cooperation.
Thank you.
Okay. So the reason why I need your information is because you were a witness and you said that he didn't assault him. All he did was
He touched his paper to the other paper.
okay.
That was
And
it.
I didn't see
There
that in
was
the
no
video.
touch on his body.
I mean, I saw him go like this, but I didn't see where it contacted, and you
No.
said it just touched his other paper.
Yeah.
And his concern, the person that I don't know, his concern is that he was being videotaped.
Yes, and he was here trying to get help for his case.
Okay.
And I told them, I was like, people have a right to privacy too.
Right.
When you're in the courtroom, that's different.
Right.
But they're here getting a public defender. What if they, they could lose their job?
Well, that's why I told him that you guys have a right to ask people to leave.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
People think that just because it's
I know.
that,
So you
that
can
they don't
have
have that
that,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Any questions?
No? Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. We
If-
appreciate it.
Yes.
So he's gonna come back, and when he goes to court, he's gonna ask for a public defender. I'm assuming you guys say you guys don't feel safe with him. You've had.
So if he picks up a criminal case,
He says he has one, but he didn't want to discuss it with me.
well, and we couldn't find one. We looked up his name and his date of birth,
Mm-hmm.
couldn't find one. If he picks up a criminal case, we'll conflict it out, and the conflict attorneys aren't
Would be
in
a
this
private-
building.
I said, that's what I told him. I
So,
said more than
yeah.
likely this is what's gonna happen.
He just has to call. He can't come in here and be
Right.
disruptive again. He can call and let them do all of the qualification over the phone, and then we'll get him a
Okay.
contract.
Okay. So I let him know he's not allowed in that building. He already said he's not allowed in the whole building.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
Nope.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Thank you. I had texted Commander Hartsock, so I was on, never mind, we got somebody who came right away. Thanks.
Well, we're downtown, so.
Yeah,
when-
hopefully you're right across the street.
I just need your information because you guys CT'd him from the building.
Okay.
Larry Reed.
Thank you.
R-E-E-D?
REID.
R-E-I-D.
Are you going to fill out a report on this one?
I am.
Okay. If you could just email it to, or just send it to me, or
Sure.
you just give me a call at the
Your
case
date of
number.
birth?
11/23/1985.
Okay. And what address do you want me to use for the report? I can use this one.
505 Marquette, yeah.
Yeah. And that's this guy.
Is there a phone number you want me to use? I can use your business phone number.
Yes, I use my personal 505
Okay.
730-7661.
7661?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And what's our next process as far as getting them banned from the building? I know we got to fill out the...
So what I'll do is, I mean, I could have hit him with the CT, but
yeah.
it's just going to escalate. But I'll give you a case number. He was verbally told to leave the building when you went out there, that he's not allowed on the property. So that should be enough. He was notified that he shouldn't be on the property. Okay. If he calls back out, we'll look through the report. We'll refer that he was notified because he's been officially notified he's not allowed in the building.
Perfect.
Okay?
Thank you. And you have his name and his info?
I have his name, not his phone number. It'll be on the report.
Okay, that'll work. That's good enough. Thank you.
Any questions?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?
It's funny until it's not funny. No touchy coppers. It's funny until it's not funny. No touchy coppers. Who wouldn't want to stop the cops from putting their hands on people? Unless the crime they commit warrants it. Equal treatment under color of law. Another mistreatment of justice. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. Oh, touchy coppers. Touchy coppers. Fuck the loyal order of leather. This conspiracy is not a theory. Brady listings, what a bunch of pig shit. Honor's a terrible thing to waste. Oath breaking's made easy. Honor's a terrible thing to waste. Breaking the oath is easy. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers. A season of snooze alarms sounding general quarters, nickels, dimes for change. Pomp display of reverence of the fallen, clearly for those failing daily. Ignorance of law enforcers, no excuse by now. Sign the oath and live it. Sign the oath and live it. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers.